The next question relates to a person that is swallowing his or her own saliva during the fast. Is this a permitted act?
As far as swallowing the saliva is concerned, it is a normal act. It's a natural act. And today science tells us that there are several liters of saliva being secreted by the salivary gland every day. And it is normal, it's natural that the saliva, a human being gulps it down, he swallows it, and this can't be avoided. And Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 185, when it tells you that you should fast for the full month of Ramadan, and those who are ill on a journey, they can make up the period later on. Then it says, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to make it easy for you and does not want to put you in a difficulty. Allah says in Surah Hajj, chapter number 22, verse number 78, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not want to give you hardship in your deen, in your religion. So, but natural, sin swallowing saliva is a normal act. And I know that some people keep on frequently spitting out, and I have some of my friends who do that thinking it's haram to swallow, and they keep on spitting. And imagine if you have to do it the full day, you cannot even offer your salah properly. Because when you offer salah, it takes a few minutes, and in few minutes also saliva gets gathered. So will you be concentrating on spitting the saliva out or on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? If you're reading the Quran, you'll have to keep on spitting outside, always. And I know some people who always keep maybe a container, always spitting out, not knowing the ruling. So if a person swallows the saliva, normal saliva which comes in the mouth, it cannot be avoided at all. Same way a person, when he breathes the dust, which a person goes to a city which is polluted, and there's dust particles, and you breathe that, and some of it goes in your lungs, or it goes. So it's all this is permissible, because this is a normal day-to-day act, and these do not violate your fast at all.